Hey everyone, Dave Lalonic with Sticky RX and AMT Innovations. So Kaizen foam is obviously a great product to organize and sort your tools, but there's many other uses for it. We'll show you those, and we'll show you how we also use it for tools. Stay tuned. Here's a simple part rack where we use Kaizen foam for the shelf to protect the parts nicely. Here's a build cell with a little resting place. Here's a sound damper on top of our vibratory tumbler. Lining the shelf of a cart. A key on the side of a machine. Here's our CMM with some mirrors and tools and such. A wrench and another key to open up the controller. Simple calculator and pen. Some CMM fixtures, some optical comparator tools. Here's some laser fixtures. Here's an employee entry area where there's some personal items. We use it to divide the shelving. Here's on the side of a cart for receiving. Here's at our mail pickup location. This is pretty cool. We use it to guide the trash can to keep it in position and centered. Here we have a keyboard, calculator, and mouse. This is a really neat application. We have a Swiffer hanger here, and we have the wet wipes right above in Kaizen foam, and we can take it down and load the Swiffer right on this rack. Here's some guides to hold the mop bucket in location. Of course, here's some tools. We use this for a lot of tools in a lot of places. Here, Ryan added some nice JB weld holder here using Kaizen foam. Here's some foam to keep cards centered. This is neat. What we did is we built a shelf for our paint to get 2 layers. Simple bin divider. A safety glass station and cleaning station. Some oils and other tools right on the bench by the vise. This is very cool. This is our fixture rack. We've got a bunch of fixtures in different holders. We've got a little carousel here. We've got Kaizen foam to hold the cups with our fixtures. Below on that shelf, we have some holes poked to hold these stanchion type fixtures. Here's a box cutter on our fork truck. Here's the fork truck, the remote to open up the garage door, a pen, Sharpie, toe straps on the back. Our packing area, some other tools that we need and we wouldn't want to have in a drawer. Here's some silverware in our break room. Of course, some plates and cups. Here's our epic coffee station. Everything is dialed in like an assembly line. Sharpie above, box cutter. We use a piece of Kaizen foam as a Kanban to when to restock the water. Here's some cleaning supplies all organized. In our morning meeting room, we have our keyboard, mouse, and remote control. Here's some machine tooling. Some more tooling here. This is at a cell where we're making products, so it keeps our measuring equipment, other tools we need handy. Here's some lathe tools. Some collets for the lathe. Other various tools at the lathe, wrenches, Allen wrenches, deburring tools. Here we've got our magnet for chips. Here we have our P-Touch labeler with all the cartridges. So we just grab this whole kit when we want to label. Here's a little Kaizen cutting kit when we want to make some Kaizen use. Here's some wrenches in our toolbox. Some more wrenches, pipe wrenches, cutters. Adjustable wrenches here. Some screws that are bead blasted we use to thread in the holes to not blast media inside the threads. More paint rack fixtures. Printers sorted here and they stay stationary in the foam. Here we keep keys for our cabinets right at point of use so we don't lose them. Our Mazak lathe with some tooling we need there. This is a simple knee pad. Every once in a while, you're going to kneel down to do something. Why not use it as a pad? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.